Oh, malas to ma. Tingnan mo yan.
Number 4. Pass to number 11. Nagana ng mga basahan. Buhay ng press. Wala. Hernandez. Number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Big gap. Simple tayo, 5 segundo. 5 seconds to shoot. Arce. Binigay sa gilid. Herboso.
Fourth quarter na po.
Pass to Herboso. Herboso. 5 seconds to shoot. Binigay na number 4. 2 seconds. 24 seconds. Violation. Big bonus ball. Next game, Maria Clara laban sa Leon. Midget Division. Big gap. No hit. Ordiales, may counter doon. Targeted by number 7. First personal foul and first team foul. Diago, no good. Number 12. Pass to number 6. Diago.
Pina sa talog.
Foul. Foul committed by number 7. Back-to-back foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Basket. Uy, wait lang. Wala pa. Kasiyan mo lang. Okay. Arce. Arce sa gitna. Basket. Hernandez. Hernandez. Basket. Number 5, Arce. Steal by number 12. Number Hernandez. Foul counted, substitution. Foul for substitution. Ay, grabe. Sorry, namin. Timeout.
Back to the ball game.
We got a ball. Big foul. In the derecho. No good. Foul committed by number 8. Andales. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Posterize lang.
Number 8. Andales. Foul counted. Foul committed by number 6. Orchales. Second personal foul. First team foul.
poste.
Ano yan? Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala ng bola. Number 8. Number 8. Basket by number 9.
Poste. Sige, bantay lang. Huwag tukod na yun ah.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty situation. Substitution. Archales.
Sige, bantay lang.
Last 2 minutes of the game. Number 6. Fast break. Medyo mataas na lang. One minute and 45 seconds. Hernandez. Changing the ball. Substitution. Arce. Idinawit. Melvin. Number 11. Pass to Alvarez. Hermoso. Great shot. Number 2.
Poste, poste, poste.
Diklan. Diklan. Pass to Hernandez. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1 in the derecho. Cesar Carrillo. 19 seconds. Number 6. Pass to number 8. Melvin. Offensive foul. Number 5. Number 5.
Mainit ang laban mga idol.
Number
Ano
6.
sabi niyan? Painitan ang laban. Time out! Time out! Poste, poste! Poste!
Double foul. Foul committed by number 8 and number 2. Double foul. Number 2. Double foul, walang penalty yun. Ha? Number 8, third personal foul. Hernandez. Yellow foul. Foul committed by number 9. Number 9, third personal foul. Penalty. Number 8, Hernandez.
Wala, Kaya pen, kaya pen.
Second person natin